Hi there, what is up? We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this box here. Got it from Amazon. And it should be my new webcam, which hopefully should do 2K. Oh, and it is. The box is already open, which is a bit weird, but you know. There we go. That was a bit unsealed there from Amazon. So we've got the HD webcam. Built-in microphone, 2K picture quality. Sorry about the noise in the background. With this you get your warranty cards. My dear, thank you for supporting. Sounds like Mrs. Doubtfire. And this is what you get. £25 out of, or something off Amazon. 2K. Of course I can use my 4K webcam camera as a webcam, but it doesn't charge at the same time. Get a wee lens protector there. Looks like you can screw it onto something there, or use as a just in case you missed that. So this comes like this, but so you can screw it onto a tripod, but you can also attach it to the, it's not spring, so it should be quite nice. And this just fits into normal USB. So you can see nice and new camera. And we'll see what it can do. And we'll see what the microphone can do compared to my old Logitech HD720.
So as you can see,
webcam.
We have two images up just to clarify. This one here is the old camera, and this one here is the new camera. And obviously, if you're not using it, you can put your protector down, and we've got it apparently set up to 2K, so it should be better resolution. I believe you can see that right away, to be honest. I've not done anything with it, I've not mucked about with it yet. But you can see it's a wider angle as well. And the old one is a lot more zoomed in. So the new one, you can see Nicola in the background, and like the curtains, where you can just see the curtains to roughly where the fireplace is and slash the mirror. This looks a lot more darker on this screen though. This is interesting. But yeah, again, it reiterates the fact that yeah, this is a bit more zoomed in. As I said, it's only £25 for 2K. I wanted to upgrade resolution, so why not get a new one? Who knows? Right, it's time to, I'm going to just configure the audio. So I'm just going to flip the audio over and we'll test both microphones out and we'll see which one compares. And they're a good, like, arm away from me. Arm and a wee bit. If I'm sitting back, you got about an arm and a half, I guess. I don't know.
So this is a test that I'm using with the original Logitech webcam, and this is how the audio sounds. I don't think I've ever actually used the audio in the webcam, except for probably by accident. But this is a test for this as well, yes. But obviously we're going to be probably upgrading to the new webcam because hopefully better resolution when I play it back. We should see the difference, and yeah, it should all be good. So as I said, this is kind of a test of the old webcam just to see how the audio sounds, and this is going to be a recurring theme of the channel because I'm going to be testing and upgrading products, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this test. I'm going to flip over to the new general webcam, I believe it's called. Hello, this is a test of the general webcam. This is the new 2K webcam that I bought from Amazon for £25. This is in comparison to the last audio clip that you heard from the Logitech 720, which was my original webcam. I upgraded the webcam just because of the 2K resolution and whether or not to see if it's worth the upgrade or not. So far, looking at the audio trace, I believe this audio may be a lot more noisy than the last one, but it could just be a better microphone. It looks like it has got stereo mics instead of the mono mic the Logitech microphone has, so that might be quite interesting, and that possibly is why it is picking up more sound. Then I'm not an audio technician at the end of the day. And then we can flip on to see the difference between these two microphones and the Shure SM7B powered through my Go XLR. But this was an audio test.
And there we have it. That was an audio test of both microphones. Hopefully they're roughly about a minute long each. And should hopefully give you an example. I don't think you can get my original Logitech 720 microphone anyway, and webcam anyway, but I would probably not recommend it now because of the day and age, and I thought it was 1080p I was recording in. I was wrong. But if you did like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, hit the comments and let me know which one you prefer. I'll be doing a lot more kind of comparisons with stuff, and I'm going to be uploading a variety of content, and I'm going to kind of be moving away from just the pure games I was playing. I'm going to make this channel a big variety channel. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, let me know which one you prefer. I'll link this webcam, the new one, 2K General Cam, below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.